Looks really good. Wow. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Oh, wow. Well, you built this box into the car. Mm-hmm. Looks good. Nice.
Sean with the Magnum you just heard built it.
Okay. Very nice.
2 F18 V318s and 2 Smart 5s.
Nice. What are your amps wired to?
0.7 inch.
Okay. You've got a lot of deadener in here.
And a lot of urethane.
Urethane, everything, yeah.
Last time you heard it was with the single 12.
Yep, I remember that. Wow. So what's your electrical and all?
95 amp hour C-Max and Brandex 250.
Okay. And the box tuning?
Box is a little over 11 cubes, tuned 30, between 32 and 33.
All right.
Box is way too small for the subs, but it's what the car likes.
Okay. Is there a way I can see the back real quick? Thank you for the demo. If it that's not open. Yeah, don't worry about it.
Well, I can show you the amp and everything.
Okay. Yeah, man. What kind of port is it? Is it a slot port, air port? Slotted? Okay. Oh, nice. Looks really good. Wow. So how big is your port? Like port area wise, do you know?
112 square inches.
112, okay.
Small. That's less than what they recommend for one.
Yeah. That's how you get so low though. Very nice.
Yeah.
So it is actually just a ported enclosure then?
Correct.
Okay.
The baffle actually lies to you. It really goes to about here. That's just to cover up the gap out area because the way it's 45 and stuff there all the way back.
Got it.
But everything else that's behind there, it's all foamed in.
Okay. Hey, thanks for showing me, man.
Yep.
Good job. pretty low. Yeah, man. And you said the box is a little small for it?
That's what I
Have you done any kind of clamp power test on it? See how much power these subs are getting?
No, I haven't. You play low, come off the foot.
Nice job, man.
Got some crack in the corner and I did what I did. The neighbors, they don't like me. I got J's in the door. Told my grandma I don't need them. And I'm sleeping on the floor. Got my tools in my boat. Got my two main hoes. Tearing out my walls. Getting together like the clothes. After I say who got me, yeah, but I love it. I keep birds with me. Like a straight high roll.
That back hatch is handling the pressure, but I don't know how you haven't broken it yet. That's crazy, man.
It's broken.
It is. Thank you very much for the demo, man.
Urethane the hatch.
You did?
Pieces.
Oh, okay. Wow. Yeah, that's popping off too.
It always does.
They don't like me. I got J's in the door. Told my grandma I don't need them. And I'm sleeping on the floor. Got my tools in my boat. Got my two main hoes. Tearing out my walls. Getting together like the clothes. After I say who got me, yeah, but I love it. I keep birds with me. Like a straight high roll.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.